All right, guys, interesting one today. We're on a duct job, and we got the return out of the wall, and this one has a tree growing out of it. That's interesting. Who'd have thought? Stay tuned. Much better. The tree is gone. Nice and clean. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, AO cleaning on another duct job today. We opened up the return and look at this yummy stuff here. Look at all that, guys. You guys remember we pulled a tree out from earlier, and look at all this stuff here. Look at all that. That's what we're breathing in, guys. This is the return main trunk line. And we're gonna cut all that garbage out. That way it can run more efficiently and better. Again, guys, the indoor air quality is so equivalent to the air you breathe, so please, please, please make sure you get your HVAC cleaned at least on a minimum every 7 years. Or, of course, if you have a remodel, you have a baby, or you have asthma. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, here's the afterwork of the return. Remember how dirty that was? Got that all cleaned up, as you can see. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Breathe better. Call AO. All right, guys, here is the supply, what you would expect. Look at that. Hey, oh, let's go. Beautiful. This is the afterwork. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, all looks good. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we just got done doing an air duct job. How you guys doing today? It is a warm one today. I think it's gonna be 93, 94. But we just got to finish doing an air duct job for a client. This was from a referral from Stephanie Dacey. So Stephanie, if you're watching, thank you for that. Appreciate it. And all our supporters. In fact, we just had a guy call today and said that he likes watching our videos, and he decided to choose us based on how passionate we are. So we appreciate that. If you're watching, Jared, thank you for that again, sir. So today, guys, we just got done finishing this up. Everything went successful, and I'm just leaving them some information here about the service that we did, about our air duct cleaning, but then we also provide them with the price list that talks about all the services that we offer besides duct cleaning. So we do all floor care and duct cleaning services, as well as furniture and carpets and what have you. So I'll leave this here for her. And again, guys, it's so important to get your HVAC clean. Indoor air quality is so important, just like this brochure says. And if you guys ever call me, I'll leave you guys some of this stuff. It just talks about our process, what we do, how we do it, how you breathe in dirty air in your home, how your ducts are cleaned makes a difference, and the other services that we offer, like the sanitizing or the dryer vent cleaning. And today I took care of them since she was with a new client. Of course, our name and address, our email is right there. And on the back, just talks about why you should get your HVAC cleaned. All kinds of good pointers there. So, yep, that's what we're doing. On the back has our other information. So leave that there, and also our price list. So again, guys, please get your HVAC clean. It's so imperative, especially for if you want to breathe better, and if you have allergies, it will help improve that. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.